What I love most about being a mobile mechanic is the freedom. So a mobile mechanic differs from a roadside patrolling. We don't work roadside, we work at customers' addresses, home or work. So we don't actually work roadside, we work on car parks and customers' drives. I chose to become a mobile mechanic over a roadside patrol due to the flexibility in the working times. It's more of a Monday to Friday job than a 7-day-a-week job. This gives me more time with my family and more time to do my own things of a weekend. A typical day in the life of a mobile mechanic is we leave home in the morning, we drive to our parts suppliers to collect our parts for the day ahead. We then drive to our first job. This could consist of anything between a diagnostic, brakes or servicing. We then carry this out at the customer's convenience at their home or their work location, and then we carry this out to the best customer satisfaction possible. The benefits of being a mobile mechanic opposed to being in a garage is every day is different. Obviously, you've not seen the same people, it's different people every day, different surroundings, and obviously with the travelling between jobs, you see different towns and different locations. We get great job satisfaction being a mobile mechanic as the customer does not have to leave the address. We turn up, we repair the vehicle at their convenience. They don't have to drive to the garage and wait around for the vehicle to be repaired. If someone is interested in a role with the mobile mechanics with the RAC, I would say give it a go. It's a great opportunity, it's a great company, and it's a great career.